morning everyone, hope you're doing good. After a long time I'm coming up with a vlog. I'm extremely sorry I could not upload anything after Sri Lanka because I was down with fever for over 20 days and now finally I've got time to record a vlog. And this time I'm going on a bike ride. Yes, and this is going to be a very adventurous ride because I'm going out with Audi. Audi is my friend. I hope you know him, or I'll introduce you to him. Let's not talk much. I'll talk to you on the way while riding, and that's all. I'm not going to have a longer intros. I'm sorry. I'll see you on the road. So what I was talking about is I'm going out with Audi. Audi is the person that was there in my first ever vlog that I uploaded when we went inside the forest. And then Audi was with us in the Mangalore vlog also. So yes, I'm sure you know him. I'm sure you like him. So today's actual plan was to just go out and explore a place, an unknown place. So that I always do this and I like doing it. So it's always adventurous. So Audi will come in his Duke 390 and then let's see how the vlog goes. And trust me, this is going to be a very interesting and a very nice vlog. Just stay around, hang around. मोटल का चेन स्प्रे कितना?
बढ़िया बोलेंगे
260. I'm not wearing gloves now. I'll wear once I meet Audi because I have to again stop and spray my chain also. So that is Audi. So we'll go to his house, pick up his helmet. Hi Audi. Chale. Again I'm not wearing gloves. I'll wear my gloves after I fill my tank. हेलो
भैया
बोल अड़ी
कहाँ पे हो एग्जैक्टली?
मैं ये पेट्रोल पंप के जस्ट पहले.
कौन सा पेट्रोल पंप?
जियो रिलायंस.
आप फ्लाईओवर ही चढ़े ना?
नहीं चढ़ा. We had to fill fuel. I told Audi that we'll be fueling up here at the Jio station, but I guess he forgot to take the service road. He's on the highway now. So this is the most common thing that happens when you go on rides with friends, right? You miss to take one service road or a single turn. Does it happen with you also, or is it only me who keeps going through all of this all the time? मैं सोचा तू भी सर्विस रोड लेगा. तू रिलायंस बोला ना?
मुझे लगा फ्लाईओवर चढ़ गया.
नहीं इधर ही. ठीक है, अभी ये अपना देवानली के पास है भारत पेट्रोलियम. Such a beautiful weather it is. I guess it's the perfect weather for a ride because I don't think it's going to rain, but there are few dark clouds, but it's not going to rain for sure. So it's a brilliant weather for a ride. And sometimes as a biker I feel so fortunate that we don't have to pay toll anywhere on national highways. So you can just plan your rides anytime you want. You don't have to worry about the toll. ಅಣ್ಣ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ ತೊಗೊತೀರಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 987. So Audi's bike had 2 punctures. I mean the rear tire. So yeah, just fix the tire. Now time is 1:39 in the afternoon. And our destination is 160 kilometers from my house. So we came 20 kilometers already, so it's 140 kilometers. Let's see how soon we can reach. It's 1:40 p.m. Every time I've come here I always just look at this whole range and feel so good. The road, the highway there, and those hills all around. That is Nandi Hills, by the way, just in case. I'm feeling hungry. I didn't have my lunch, so I'm thinking I will just eat something very light. Okay, looks like a nice place. Let's eat something. रैबिट काटता है क्या? रैबिट काटता है. मैं सोचा इसको ऐसे काटेगा. कैसे रे रैबिट? ये काटता है. We tried this lemon paneer. It's so delicious. I mean, I'm eating it for the first time. I never thought lemon and paneer would be a combination, but it rained a little when we were having lunch. Thankfully, it stopped now. Thankfully, the weather is very clear, and we had food here. Now we are ready to leave. This is the final toll before we enter Andhra Pradesh. So, yeah, this is Bagepalli toll. Now I guess in few kilometers we'll have a board that says "Welcome to Andhra Pradesh," and we'll be leaving Karnataka out. Yeah, there's the board. Says "Thank you for visiting Karnataka. Welcome to Andhra Pradesh." Yeah. On that note, yes, I want to let you know. I don't think I've spoken where I'm going. So I'm going to Gollapalli Reservoir. So not only the reservoir, there's backwaters near the reservoir, and it's one of the most beautiful, peaceful places that I've ever been to. From here there are so many Korean settlements, and only for them I guess they have not only for them, but for them, for their convenience, they have also made a Seoul store, a Korean restaurant, and there are so many Korean places near Penukonda Fort. If you can see, there's a Kia factory from about 15 kilometers from here. It's a huge factory and so many Koreans work here. So for their convenience they made Korean stores, another Korean restaurant here, a supermarket. I don't know if I'm going towards the Kia factory right now. If I go, I'll show you. So this is the Kia factory. So Kia factory is 5 kilometers from here, and just before the factory starts we have to take a left, again go through these windmills and these hills, and then the location comes. So this is the diversion that I'm talking about. This is where the Kia showrooms, Kia factories and Hyderabad road is. This is the diversion that we have to take. These windmills again, they look so good. So Audi's bike, again we are facing problem with his tire. We fixed 2 punctures already when we left, and again there's a puncture. So we had already taken the diversion like I showed you, but we had to come again to the highway to find the petrol pump because there's nothing that side. And look at the coincidence. I told if we'll be able to go to Kia factory or not, and look at this. We had to come here. It's literally very huge, and the Kia logo also looks very cool, right? We didn't fix the puncture. What we did is we filled the air to 40 psi because I think there's some issue with the tire. No matter how many punctures you fix, the tire is going to leak air. But he just told that he had 4 punctures already before today. So there are already 6 punctures fixed on the tire. 7th will do no good. So I put Google Maps 1 second. फोन पे
भाई वीडियो रिकॉर्ड है
थैंक्स वर्ल्ड राइड नहीं ओनली कर्नाटका आंध्र प्रदेश गणेश किधर रखेंगे कब I'm used to villagers asking money for the Ganesha festival, so it's fine. Otherwise it looks scary for a moment. I thought since they were kids it's completely fine. Kids, they can't harm you, but if it were villagers, older people, I swear I would have got scared, because I've been into a situation where villagers have held me for no reason. So I thought this is going to be one of those situations, but luckily it wasn't. Luckily they just wanted a little donation, and I only gave 50 rupees because I can give more, but the problem is you don't know where they are going to use that money. They say they might use it for the festival. They do, but you never know, right? Our destination is only 4 kilometers from here. Everyone. उनको पैसा दिया ना पीछे और को कोट्टे दुड्डू उनको 100 दिया बोल रहे तेलुगु में हेलो అక్కడ
10 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చేసారు అన్న మాకన్నా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు
ఫోన్ పే ఉందా ఫోన్ పే వచ్చేసి నేను
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చినారు మీరు
నేను బెంగళూరు
డ్యామ్ దగ్గరకా
డ్యామ్ Name?
వసంత్
Prasan.
వసంత్
Vasant.
My name is Bharat.
Hi Bharat, how are you? Your name? Bharat. Vasant. Gautam.
Sri Hari.
Sri Hari. Hare Krishna. Ay, nice name. Balaya. Jai Balaya.
వెళ్ళన్నా
Okay.
థ్యాంక్స్ అన్న
థ్యాంక్స్ ఎక్కడ పెడతారు గణేష
అక్కడన్నా అక్కడ పెడుతున్నాం పండగ రోజు రాండన్నా పండగ రోజు రాండన్నా
ఓకే నేను వస్తా బాయ్ బాయ్ वही आगे फिर से again this time Audi paid 50 which is fine. You can't pay more because you never, like I told you, you never know why. Such a beautiful evening, right, on a village. I mean, of course the farmers are working very hard, but feels so peaceful, such a nice vibe. The problem with village is my bike is too loud and I have a top box. Sometimes people think that I've come to their place to steal things, because that's how I've been villagers have caught me twice already. It's been long ago. The tires are slipping. Okay, that's the road we can take, but I want to go up the reservoir and then go there. So the gravel is loose, that's why. Windows. Beautiful location. This is a beautiful location. It rained so much and there's no water at all. What the hell? But the windmills are looking very good. To find the road, which exact road goes to the place that I want to go, I have to stop here. It's a nice adventure. I'm sure very few people come to this side. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see where this road takes us. What a road. What a road. Oh my god. I'm scared for Audi's tire actually, because his tire is already gone, and if you're doing off-road like this, I don't know. And internet is not working here, so I can't even check Google Maps if I'm going in the right direction or not. My god. Oh, this was my favorite place. I'll put up a video for you for your reference. Give me a second. Finally we reached our location. My GoPro just died, so I had to record the final part on my phone. But off-road is good. It's a beautiful place. It's empty. There's nobody around. But the only disappointment is there was a nice stream here. There was a kind of a waterfall here. Everything was there, but everything is gone. Everything is dried up. It's fine, it can dry up, but the problem is it has rained so much in last couple of months. I thought it would be overflowing, but unfortunately it's not. So I'll show you my bikes also. Bikes look so good. Even we can take the bike and go there also. It's not a problem. There's a road. There's another road that goes up there, but I don't see a point going there for no use, because I wanted to come here, watch this place. There's a nice stream coming here. One stream goes here and one stream is to go there. I took 2-3 shots. You just saw, I guess. Now we're just taking. I'm just sitting here. Audi is sitting there, Audi, hi. Yes, this place is peaceful right now. Water is very clean. And we are just chilling out. Bikes I've parked here. We're just soaking in the piece, and then I guess we'll leave. We're leaving out 10-15 minutes. I'll show you the time also because I didn't show you the time. Time is 5:20 in the evening. Yeah, another 10 minutes, 5:30 we'll leave, and we'll see when we can reach home. I told you, right? We are worried about Audi's tire, so it's better we reach highway before anything else happens. Fingers crossed, and pray for us, please. It's a nice place. There's nothing to do as such. All you can do is just sit. You can put your feet in the water, which we didn't do, but we did last time. You just put the feet in the water and just chill, listen to the music. You can do a small picnic with friends, but don't expect much from this place because practically nothing. But nice view. Got nice view. This is very safe that I'm doing. Don't worry. Yeah. So since GoPro is not working, I just wanted to record like this. Art is coming there. It's a nice off-road that we're doing. And don't worry, I'm going very slow, very carefully. So it's not, it is safe that I'm riding from one hand. And yeah, just look at the off-road. I'm ending this vlog with this beautiful view and my beautiful bike. So again, just let me know how you like this video. And let me know if you want me to do such videos again with my bike, motor vlogs, and I'll do it for you. Without your feedback, I have no clue what I'm doing, correct? So, and I haven't asked much, but yes, please subscribe to my channel. I need at least 500 subscribers by end of September, so please help me do that. And yes, I'll see you again in next adventure, next ride, next trip. So just hang around. I won't take much time, I promise. And lastly, I just want to show this range. So we'll go through that range, and then we'll go to Bangalore. That's all. See you. Bye from me, and bye from Audi also. Audi, bye bye. Bye bye. Good night.